Hey guys, today is my first video on YouTube, so I'm pretty excited. And I was thinking today that since a few months ago I actually started learning Python, and now I know a lot. Not all of it, like probably not like probably just like half a quarter, because Python's a huge language. And I was thinking today I would show what I know to you. We won't cover everything, but we'll cover the basic things, and I'll also show you how to set up. So you'll only need a PC, and if you only have a Mac, just let me know down in the comments. I can also show you how to set up on Mac, because Mac and PC have to set up different ways. But other than that, Python is just like an input and output. An input is basically what you put into what you give to the computer, like data or information, and then output is what comes out of it, like the thing that comes out of it, like a character moving. An example is like if anybody has played PlayStation or Xbox here, and you have to move part of the controller to make the character move, because like it's actually related to the input and output, because moving part of the controller, you're putting data inside the computer, and then the computer makes it into the character moving. So that's what input and output is. So so if you guys have a PC, and again, if you don't have a PC, you can just let me know down in the comments, and I can also do one about MacBooks. But if you don't have PC, just let me know down. So otherwise, if you have PC, that's gonna be great, because I'll show you how to do it in a bit. So so we're actually gonna be doing Python today, because Python is a really popular language, and Python is used everywhere. Like, for example, Google uses it, NASA uses it, the computer you're working on is using it, and it's been here for a long time, and it's a huge language, so I'll start teaching you it. So let's get started. So first things first, let's set it up. So to set it up, you'll need to go to https://www.python.org/download/ or the link's down in the description, and then you gotta click enter, and you come to this. So we need to click the button after download the latest version for Windows, because this will be the latest version, and this is the version we're going to be using. Now, you don't have to be 3.8.3. It could be the latest one, like anything. Like I don't know. I don't know if in a bit it's going to turn into 3.9 point something. But just go to the latest version and then click download Python, the latest version, and then this will pop up. Then click it. So click it, and you won't actually see the screen just yet. Actually, you would see run. So you'll see like a run or cancel. So you gotta click run. And after that, you're gonna see this screen. Then click add Python whatever version to your path. Click that check mark before clicking install now. Then click install now. And then say yes. And it'll start working on it. And yeah, we're setting it up. Loading. After it stopped, you should probably see the screen. If you have, then congratulations, because you just successfully set it up. Then click close. Now you would want to open it. So then you gotta go into the search bar in the bottom left. Search idle, and then click idle Python 3.8 select dash bit. Just the thing that pops up. Click it. Now we won't start typing just yet because we don't want to type right now. Otherwise, we're gonna have to delete all this later, and it won't work because I can't go backspace right now. It doesn't let me. Well, I can do backspace here, but I can't do it again. So that's why we'll go to File, New File. Then you'll see something like this, and then we can start typing over here. So the first thing I think you guys should know is how to print. How to make something right on the screen. So you gotta do print, print, and these parentheses, and then quotes or double quotes. I like to do double quotes, so I'm gonna keep it like this. Now let's just say that we are awesome. Okay? Oops. Forgot to do space. So, and then we can just close it. And then click run. And then run model. Click OK. So actually, once you run it, you click run and then run module. It will say source must be saved. OK to save. And you click OK. And it will show up a file. Okay, so I can't show you that. It's not working for my computer to share this, but basically I can't show you the screen, but I can show you what's gonna happen. So what will happen is that you're gonna see like a bunch of files, and you just gotta click whatever you want, like click which one you want, and then just make the name. So once you do that, then once you make the name, then you can click save, and just make sure you're at the place you want it to be first before click save, otherwise it'll save somewhere else. So just like click the place you want it to be. Once you've done that, you're ready to learn the next part. So yeah, you can also check out you will also check out that it will all work. So because this is a good sign, because now this thing printed. So this is good. So the next thing I want to show you is how to F-print. It's not that it's pretty much similar, but I first gotta show you a bug that might happen, and I'll show you just in a bit. So now we are back here. I'm just gonna put enter a lot, and then now the next part I want to show you is print, and you can just do F here if you want. It doesn't really do anything though. But what you do is just like, for example, I'll just do this because like I don't know what to say. And this, and this. So this will print. I'll show you in a bit. But first I want to show you a bug that might happen. I'll show you this wall print, but like this part will print, I'll show you that, but after I show you the bug that might happen. Like for example, pretend we did quotes because you don't like holding shift a lot or something like that. And instead of we are awesome, you say you're awesome. Something like that. So I think, and so when you run it, you'll see invalid syntax. And because it's actually these, because this is actually here, that would fix it, but we want this quote. So I'm gonna put, the way we can fix it, turning this into double quotes. And then the reason why is because actually the computer is smart. So it says, oh, these are the first quotes. Okay, now I'm only gonna stop when I see the same quotes again. So it won't stop. It will know that they're quotes, but it won't stop because you're like, wait, these are not double quotes. So it'll go here too. It'll go and then until when it sees this, then it'll stop printing. And now I can show you the print F, okay? So when we print F, as you can see here, it prints. Yay! So I just wanted to show you guys this today. Again, if you guys are any of you guys are using Mac, please let me know and I can also I'll show you guys how to do it on Mac. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And that's it for today. I'll teach you more of the things next time. So yeah, bye.